leader now, I'm free now. The Lord saved my soul, He is keeping me up. I shovel in my heart, now I pray to God. I read my Bible every night and morning. I wake up every morning, give praise to God. That I can praise Him every day till the time is gone.